Now, before we go any further, let me show you Digital Attack Map, a global threat visualization. And you can visit digitalattackmap.com to access Digital Attack Map. Digital Attack Map is a live data visualization of DDoS attacks around the globe. Now, this has been built through a collaboration between Google Ideas and Arbor Networks. The tool surfaces anonymous attack traffic data to let users explore historic trends. You can find attack traffic happening on any given day. Attacks are displayed as dotted lines, and they've been scaled to size and places according to the source and destination countries of the attack traffic. Now, the attacks are many, with no easy estimate of potential financial loss or loss of sensitive information. All right, now in this demo, we're going to talk about the Digital Attack Map. So we're going to open a browser and type in www.digitalattackmap.com. And usually this site takes some time to load because of the graphical intensity of the site. Now the website looks like it's loaded now. Now there are three types of attacks. First, those between two countries. Second, internal. And third, either the source or destination is unknown. Now this attack is between two countries. Now we see this between the United States and Peru. So if we look a little deeper, this attack is an internal one because we see the source and destination is the U.S. They're both the same. So it's internal. In this attack down here, we don't see the source of the attack. Now we can play the attack bandwidth all of the countries. So let us start from October 1st of 2014. And we see here the attacks for every day, and it's also showing the day of the attack, right? Now let me click on this table. Now this attack sent 97,796 megabytes of traffic. Now the type of attack is total traffic. The source is unknown and the destination is the United States. So this attack started and ended on October 3rd, lasting only 10 minutes. The source port is 1900 and the destination ports are 80 and 3074. You can really explore others as well. Now let's click on Gallery. Now here we see daily DDoS attacks worldwide. Select Global, attacks on the Philippines lasting less than 10 minutes. This attack took place September 14th of 14, and we see all the other attacks are grayed out except the attack on the Philippines. Right? Now, click on Understanding DDoS. Now, you can play this video to learn more about the DDoS attacks.